Assalamu alaikum everyone and welcome back to Physics with Musa where we learn physics in an interesting and easy to understand way. Today we will study kinematics and the types of graph used in kinematics. Remember one thing, that slope and gradient are the same things, and uniform and being constant are the same things. Now we will study the graph number 1. The graph number 1 is the uniform gradient graph, and it is a positive uniform gradient graph. Look, now this line represent gradient or slope. This is the gradient or slope. The gradient or slope in this graph is uniform, it means constant, and it is a face up graph. It means that it is going left to right but upwards, which means that it is a face up graph, so it is positive uniform gradient graph. Now the second graph, which is uniform gradient graph 2, but it is a negative uniform gradient graph. This line again represent gradient and it is uniform again. Gradient or slope, this line represent gradient or slope which is uniform in this graph. It is a face down graph. It is going from left to left to right but downwards. It is going downwards, due to which it is a face down graph, and it makes the face down, so it makes it a negative uniform gradient graph. Now we will study the third graph, which is the zero gradient graph. In this graph the gradient is zero as it is being at rest. Zero gradient means that the object is at rest. If that object was at rest, it would be on zero, so that nothing should be up. But if this is a look, now if it is a distance time graph, if it is a distance time graph, distance would not be increasing, so the object would be at rest. But if it would be a speed time graph, the speed would be constant at that moment. So this is a zero gradient graph, and it is positive and negative zero, so this is zero gradient graph. Now we will see increasing gradient graph. This is an increasing gradient graph, and it is a positive as it is a face up graph going left to right but upwards. Left to right, upwards. Increasing gradient graph, face up, positive. Gradient means slope, so you can see that slope is, it is less steeper, and from here it is more steeper. That it means that the steepness of the graph is increasing, which makes it an increasing gradient graph, and it is a face up graph, making it a positive graph. Now we are going to study fifth graph, which is a decreasing gradient graph. It is a decreasing gradient graph, but it is a negative graph. Look, this graph is coming downwards. It is coming from left to right but downwards, which face down. It is a face downwards as it is coming from up to down, so it makes it negative gradient graph. Now you can see that the steepness of the graph is decreasing. Here the graph is more steeper than over here, so which means that the steepness of the graph is decreasing, which makes it a decreasing gradient graph. Now we will study sixth graph, which is decreasing gradient graph 2, but it is a positive gradient graph as the gradient is going from left to right and upwards, which makes it a positive gradient graph. And but you can see from over here the graph is more steeper than over here, which means that the steepness of the graph and the gradient is decreasing, which makes it a decreasing gradient graph. Now we will study the last graph of our today's lecture and video, which is an increasing gradient graph, in which we tell that this is an increasing gradient slope or slope. In gradient and slope, it is an increasing gradient or slope. Look, here the graph is less steeper, but over here the graph is more steeper, like this. You can see that if a thing is like this, it is hard to climb over here, but if the thing is like this, it is easy to climb over here, like this. If it Now this is an increasing gradient graph, as it is the gradient is increasing by the time, and it is a face down graph. You can see that it is coming from left to right but downwards, which makes it in increasing gradient graph. Today we have learned types of graph used in kinematics, so please like and subscribe the video, and if there is any problem you couldn't understand, please comment me in the comment section. Thank you.